Okay, we're back trading. Sorry, might have had a little bit of a glitch, but I will be editing when I put on when I put it onto the website or when I post it onto YouTube. So you'll be able to watch it later. But we're starting to break through where we were. We're into the euro at 8.45. We have a take profit at 8.95, looking for a 5-pip move. Again, why this is important, it's a small move, but on a $5,000 account, we're going to be looking to trade one lot per trade. A 5-pip move is $50. $50 is 1%. That's 1% a day. Our goal is to make 20%, at least 20% a month. We're very, very conservative. I don't like to take chances. I'm not looking to make 200% a month. That's not going to happen with the way that I trade. In order to make big, big gains, you're going to take big, big risk. And I don't like taking risk, and my clients don't like taking risk. I know my clients, they're happy with 20, 25, 30% a month, and that's what we're looking to do. Okay, so we've been in this trade, it's pushing 2 hours. And normally, as I mentioned before, normally I'm only in one trade at a time. Sometimes I'll go into the same trade twice. We'll do half a position. If for whatever reason I love the trade, but I think there might be a chance that it might drop a little bit, I'll do half the trade. And that way, if it does drop, I can always pick up the other half. If it goes up straight up, then we still take a profit on the one half that we did buy or sell. So right now we've got, as I said, we're in at 8.45. I've been mentioning before, let's see the 15. Okay, now it has to break through. Okay, I'm going to move the take profit, I think, a little bit. Because I'm going to move it to about 9.15. If it breaks through this, it's going to be going higher. So let's see if it breaks through. This is the 50-minute moving average on the yellow line right here. So it's looking to break through that. We're up to 888. 885 is 4 pips. Even 4 pips is a good move. A good time to take a profit. We've been in this for 2 hours. But we've broken through the only other obstacle. That's why I don't want to go so much higher. We have the 1 hour moving average. The 14 is at 944. So right now we've set the take profit to 915. That would be a 7-pip move. Should I get greedy? There might be a little bit of resistance at 9, but we're breaking. There we go. Let's see, we get through 9, we'll hit 915. And I said earlier, we're definitely going to 900 on this. This is when we first got in at 8.45. You have to wait 2 hours. Now we're pushing 900, we're at 890. Even 895. If I were to leave it in an 895, it's a 5-pip move. 1% on the day. You only need one trade. 5 pips a day will get you 1% a day. But it's really trying to push through very strong here. So I really don't want to, let's see. It's going to go through, it's going to go through, and it's going to take us out at 915. So there we go. We got 7 pips instead of our 5. Now it's a tiny little bit of a pullback, but it's still going to be going higher. But main thing is, don't be greedy. 1% a day, that's all we need to do. 7 pips, it gives us $70 on one lot. So we're pushing 1.5%, 1% to more than 1% anyway for our clients so far. So there we go. That's what we look to do, and that's why it's important that I'm watch these trades minute to minute. I don't walk away. This took, what are we looking at? It was sitting at 800. Nothing was going on for 2 hours. Then in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 minutes, we went from 800 to get taken out at 915. The high so far is 917. So far we timed that nicely. Still going to be going higher, but let's not be greedy, as I said. But anyway, getting back to what I was trying to say, sorry. That's why it's important to be following this minute to minute, and that's why for doing a trade copy, this is why you have me in your corner. Originally, I had to take profit at 895, and as I discussed, as we were pushing 870, 880, 885, as I was saying, that it's a very good chance that if it's going to hit 895, it's going to go through 900, and it's going to go through nicely. So on the spur of the moment, I increased the take profit from 895 to 915. And to recap again, why I didn't want to go too high, the 1 hour, the 14 moving average is at 943. So that was going to give some resistance right there as well. Also, I didn't want to go too high over 900 because often is the case when it breaks through a resistance level. Here the resistance was at 900. As it breaks through 900, it'll break through sometimes 10 to 20, 30 ticks, for example, 10 to 20 easily. And here, when it broke through 900, it just didn't go to like 905 and start coming back. When it broke through 900 up to 917 before it did a little bit of a pullback. But it is going higher anyway. But for right now, I got what we were looking for. It took us 2 hours, but we got 7 pips out of that. So anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to keep watching the markets, but I'm going to have a sandwich. And I'll be possibly back later tonight. And this webinar will be on YouTube, and soon it's going to get on my website. As I said, I'm not a tech guy. I'm a trader. I'm a Forex trader. That's what I've been doing for 30 years, trading stocks, trading Forex. As most of you know, I started with Nesbitt Burns, Bank of Montreal and Toronto, and this was in the late 80s. So I've been at it for a very long time. And always learn, don't be greedy, don't kill your account. So anyway, to everyone, take care. We'll see you soon. Good night.